Did you know that editing your landscape photos can actually boost their impact by over 50%? That's right. A few simple tweaks can make your images pop like never before. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing Photoshop hacks specifically designed to enhance your landscape photos. Trust me, these techniques can really elevate the visual appeal of your images and will have your friends asking, "Wow, how did you do that?" So grab your editing software, and let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about a common struggle that many photographers face. You know that feeling when you look at your landscape shots, and they just seem flat? They lack that vibrancy and depth that makes you go, "Wow." It's super frustrating, right? Your stunning mountain range or serene beach scene deserves to shine, but sometimes, it just doesn't. As photographers, we want our landscapes to draw people in, to evoke emotions, and to tell a story. But without a little extra editing love, our images can end up looking dull and uninviting. So, how do we fix that? Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into the 5 Photoshop hacks that will transform your landscape shots. First up, we have adjusting brightness and contrast. This is a straightforward hack that can really change the mood of your photo. Open your image, head to the image menu, select adjustments, and then brightness/contrast. Play around with the sliders until your photo feels alive. A little brightness can bring out details in the shadows, while a contrast boost can make colors pop. Remember to keep it balanced, though, we don't want to overdo it. Next, let's talk about color balance. This hack allows you to fine-tune the colors in your landscape. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Color Balance. Shift the sliders to enhance the blues in the sky or the greens in the grass. You'd be amazed at how much a little color tweaking can influence the overall feel of your image. Now, we're moving on to Selective Color Adjustment. This technique lets you target specific colors in your photo to make them stand out. Under Image, go to Adjustments, and choose Selective Color. Here, you can enhance the reds in a sunset or deepen the greens of foliage. It's like giving your landscape a facelift, just the right touch in just the right areas. Fourth, we have the Clarity Filter. This is a game changer for adding depth to landscapes. You can find this filter in the Filter menu under Camera Raw Filter. Increase the clarity to bring out the texture in clouds or trees. Just be careful not to go overboard, we want to maintain a natural look. Finally, let's not forget about using the Gradient tool. This is perfect for enhancing skies. Create a new layer, select the Gradient tool, and drag it across the sky area. You can choose colors that complement your landscape, like a soft purple to pink gradient at sunset. This technique can add a dreamy effect and totally elevate your image. Climax/key moment. Out of all these hacks, the Clarity Filter is truly my favorite. It's like magic. I've seen landscapes completely transform with just a little extra clarity. Picture this, you have a beautiful mountain shot, but it's lacking that wow factor. You apply the Clarity Filter, and suddenly, the textures in the mountains pop, the clouds gain depth, and your photo becomes a masterpiece. Trust me, once you try this hack, you'll be hooked. Conclusion/summary. So, let's quickly recap the 5 Photoshop hacks we covered today: adjusting brightness and contrast, fine-tuning color balance, using selective color adjustments, applying the Clarity Filter, and enhancing skies with the Gradient tool. These are all simple yet powerful techniques to make your landscapes pop and stand out. I encourage you all to give them a try and watch your images come to life. Call to action, CTA. I want to hear from you. Which hack was your favorite? Or do you have your own tips for making landscapes pop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos on Photoshop techniques. Happy editing, and see you in the next one.